I think it's really easy to kind of be excited about the $2,000 that you made just delivering stuff, and you forgot about the wear and tear on your car. You might not have the proper insurances, as we talked about. You might say, there's lots of little things that you don't know about the business. And in this business, the devil is in the details.
100% it is. And those details, well, they can make or break you. They can make or break.
This is why you need to get part of organizations like the CLDA, just because they'll help you understand what makes sense in this business and what doesn't.
Yeah, it will. And just networking, finding a mentor, CLD helps with a lot of that. And I've been very proud to be a part of that association, and it's done wonders for a lot of companies. And nowadays there's so many resources online you can access to get this education. But I think fundamentally, time is money, and when you're pricing something out, you have to think about every component of that service, where it's costing time, where's a touch point, and there has to be a dollar amount associated with that. Because look, when you talk about independent contractors, as your, most, I'll say 75% of the players in the space probably use that model. You got to look at them as another customer, right? They're not an employee. They are another customer. You have to constantly be thinking about how can you keep this group of your driver
Yeah.
fleet
And
engaged.
by the way, and Lyft and Uber, I don't think they've done a particularly good job on that. And those are fantastic companies. But I live kind of in, it's suburban, but it's a sparsely populated area. There's always a new Lyft guy. And when I would call like Lyft, and I remember this guy's telling me, "Oh, I'm making this much money," and I was thinking, I doubt it. And then the next time I call, they're like, "We don't have Lyft drivers in your neighborhood." I was like, "Yeah, there's good reason. It's a hard job."
Yeah, and Joe, I would actually say the stakes are even higher. So Lyft and Uber, I put those in the gig kind of category. When I think about final mile, at least the place I come from, the drivers may be independent contractors, but it's not gig workers, because a lot of the solutions we're doing, we're talking about, we deliver for blood banks, hospitals,
Oh yeah,
uh,
so life and death at that
life and
point.
death stuff. So you don't want this very transient driver fleet popping in and out. You want to have some stability there, particularly around your core clients and the high critical deliveries you're doing. So it's even more critical that you price things out properly, because the number one reason a driver is going to stay on a job is because they're getting fairly compensated.